Hey, we had some bad experience with some Amazon batteries, and I want to put it out here very, very quickly because I know so many people are buying things from Amazon these days. But if you've bought these, and if you've got them in either AA or if you got them in AAA, a lot of times they are dead out of the box. I'm going to tell you two stories that happened this week so you know. One is we've got a customer up in Tennessee. Actually, both these customers are in Tennessee. She calls us 11 o'clock one night. She says, hey, I'm locked out of my house. I can't get in. Now, in our defense, everyone it's suggested if you get an automated lock or you get something that can let you in and out of your house on an automated schedule, please keep a key somewhere hidden because eventually technology will fail. But she had just changed the batteries. She had put Amazon batteries in there out of the box. It worked one or two times. She walked outside. She felt comfortable. And batteries died. Lock wouldn't let her back in. Second story, pastor here locally has an automated lock on his personal door, his personal office in the church. And they called us 2 days ago and said, hey, this lock's broken. It doesn't work. We just put fresh batteries in it. We need you to come here and do a service call. So we went out, did a service call, pulled the back cover off. There's 4 AA Amazon batteries inside there. And technician's really smart guy. He said, hey, do you have any other batteries? He said, pastor said, oh no, those are fresh, brand new batteries from Amazon. We just got them. He said, I understand, but we've had a lot of problems with these. Do you have any other AA batteries? They had some fresh AA batteries from Duracell, took them out of the package, put 4 Duracell batteries in, put them back in the case, slid it back in the box. Slid it back in the lock case, worked fine immediately. Do not buy these Amazon gray batteries and expect them to be in something that you really have to have working. If it's a toy, that's fine, but you're probably going to get batteries that are half dead out of the box anyway. Warning, do not buy these crappy Amazon batteries. I hope this helps you.